Microphone check. 1, 2. Check, check. All right. Jeez, I don't have any of my chats set up. Let me start the timer first. And then let me set my thing up. All right, all right. Here we go. All right, man, what are y'all saying? I'm about to go on another travel journey. So I won't be streaming next week for sure. I won't be streaming this weekend for the contest. No streams next week. No stream next weekend for the next contest. And I don't know, I've been thinking, I don't know if there's going to be any streams after that also. At least until maybe the end of summer. Haven't decided yet. So here we are. Might be the last stream for a while, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm gonna try and stream on Wednesday, but you never know. You never know. Maybe I'll tone it down and just do like contest days or something for a few weeks. Oh, try vanilla JS. What's happened? Compressor and EQ? What are you talking about? I don't have any. I don't have nothing on, man. Hold on. Yeah, I don't really. Let me see what filters I got on my microphone. I don't have nothing, man. I just got a limiter on right now so that it doesn't go too crazy. Naturally got that DJ voice, perhaps. So this is raw sound, man. None of those filters really. That's why you can hear everything. When people flush the toilet upstairs, you can hear that junk. Oh, Brett is in the house. DJ Simon. Smooth jazz at midnight. Coming to you live from Brooklyn, New York. No, I don't know about that. Yeah, but it would work. Maybe I have a fallback career if things don't work out with software engineering. So, Crash VHS, what's happened? Also in Brooklyn. Yeah, Brooklyn is popping, man. Yeah, I've been thinking I might take a few months to just get my life together. There's a lot going on right now with work. Work is busy. Real life is busy. I'm traveling a lot the next few months. I might be moving in a couple months. Well, for sure, I'm going to be moving in a couple months. So I think I want to like get those things sorted out before I start trying to like stream regularly. The Meat Hook in Williamsburg is 10 out of 10. Never been there. The Red Hook Brewing, never been there either. I haven't been anywhere. Am I staying in New York? Yeah, I'm staying in New York. I'm just probably moving to a bigger place. My girlfriend is moving in with me. So I gotta get a new spot. Oh yeah, it's big movements, Brett. Glump, what's happening? Meat Hook is great. Yeah, I don't think I've ever heard of Meat Hook. So I'll probably be moving. Hold on, let me switch it up. Probably moving like August, I think. And what else is happening? Oh yeah, I'm traveling to Switzerland. I'm gonna try and stay in Brooklyn. Either Brooklyn or Queens, maybe. More than likely Brooklyn. Or maybe as a stretch, like Washington Heights or somewhere like that. But I don't think that's happening. So I'm traveling end of this week, and then I get back, and then I gotta travel again. I'm going to Florida for a bit. And then, yeah. Anyways, we should probably start training algos, man. I also want to like focus a little bit on YouTube videos. I find that I just don't have enough time, man. Also, if you're getting ads, if you are getting ads, you can always watch on YouTube. What was I saying? Yeah, I feel like I just don't have enough time to do all the things I want to do. I want to... Don't feel bad about taking time off. Your real ones will be here when you get back. Yeah, thanks. I've taken many breaks from streaming. I think maybe like two breaks a year of multiple months. But this year I've been somewhat consistent so far. But now I think it's time to take some breaks. Yeah, so I want to spend some of this time just really working on my YouTube videos and stuff, and shooting more videos and editing old videos for YouTube shorts. I think I just need a few months to like generate some content, so at least so I can like upload on a semi-consistent basis without like trying to stay up till 2-3 a.m. editing a video just to hit some type of consistent schedule, you know. What else? That's about it, man. Anyways, let me check out Daily Problem. Daily Problem. I also did super terrible on the last contest. Maybe that's why I feel like taking a break. Sounds like you need to hire an editor. Nah, I think I'd like to do it myself, at least in the beginning, because I enjoy like the photography stuff, and I'm like transitioning from being more into photography to like being into like video and cinematography. So I've been trying to like take as much video whenever I have the opportunity, and I've been learning a lot, and it's been fun. But I just feel I need more time, man. I need more time to get into it and to just like completely focus on that type of stuff. Alejandro Flores 404, what's happening? How are you doing? Just comes down to how much time your time is worth to you. Right, I feel eventually I'd like to hire an editor, or maybe my girlfriend will be my editor or something. But I think in the beginning, I need to know how to edit videos, so at least I have some idea of what to look for when I'm finding an editor, you know? I enjoy the creative process about this type of stuff. So maybe I'll do it like until it's not enjoyable anymore. Does XOR, what's happening? Makes sense to figure out what style you want so you know what to ask from an editor. Yeah, I think I want to find my own groove and find an editor that can just like emulate what I've already done, you know, or something like that, at least in the beginning. Melky Dev in the house. What's happening, Melky? Long time no see. How you doing, man? Hope everything is going good. Too long. Yeah, it's been a while. I don't even know what you're up to these days, man. I've been pretty busy. Are you still out there in the West Coast? I think last time I heard, man, you're like in Seattle. Or am I tripping? Looks like you're still at Twitch, though. I see that staff badge. That's good. That's nice. I'm still doing that LeetCode. I haven't changed my stream format since 3 years now. I haven't done anything different. I only do LeetCode, man. And I'm still not that good. Imagine that. Still at the same place? Yeah, I'm still at the same place I was working at before, but I transferred to New York. So I'm in New York City now. I left that dang Bay Area. The Bay Area sucks, man. At least, in my opinion, the Bay Area sucks. I don't know if y'all know, but me and Melky met up early on in my streaming career. Like, was it like 2001? I think he might have just started working at Twitch at the time, man. We met up and we had a good time. We're chilling. Pontonio33, thank you very much for the follow. Yeah, we gotta hang out again one day. Maybe one of these days I'll make it to TwitchCon. We both were like appreciating the Fang salary. Yeah. Man, I told you gotta spend that money. That sounds like something I might say. Oh yeah, I remember that hot sauce. I remember those crabs. I remember a lot of things. Next door Nate, what's happening? Welcome to the party. Yeah, Melky Dev in the house. You can't be looking at prices like that when you make big bucks. Man, hopefully everything is going well for you, Melky Dev. I don't even know if you go by Melky Dev or just Melky these days, you know. All right, should we do this problem real quick? Path with maximum gold. The dev part, relic of the past. Yeah, I don't even know when you took that off. But let me see. You're still on my website, man. Oh, you're on there as Melky Dev. Enhance. Wait. When I first made the website, I think I put that up there. But it's so tiny you can't even see it. I lived in the Bay Area and NYC. I prefer Bay Area weather, but NYC for pretty much everything else. Yeah, I guess the weather is really good in the Bay. Next door Nate, thank you very much for that follow. But Bay Area, just too much traffic, not enough public transit, too much like homeless and weird crimes going on. And I think there's just a lot more diversity in New York, a lot more things to do, except hiking. If you like hiking, I guess Bay Area is nice. But I guess you can go on like a city hike, which is not too bad. Anyways, let me do this daily problem, man. In a gold mine grid of size m by n, each cell in this mine has an integer representing the amount of gold in that cell, 0 if it is empty. Return the maximum amount of gold you can collect under the conditions. Every time you are located in a cell, you will collect all the gold in that cell. From your position, you can walk one step to the left, right, up, or down. You can't visit the same cell more than once. Never visit a cell with 0 gold, and You can start and stop collecting gold from any position in the grid that has some gold. All right, I should be able to do this problem, man. Dang, 15. Let's see. Come through down to Atlanta. Man, I've been to Atlanta a couple times. Not a big fan, but you never know. I think there's like a Google office in Atlanta that I've never been to. So how am I gonna solve this problem, man? What am I doing? I think I can like, let me think. I think it's just a typical DFS DP type of problem, but I don't know if I can do it. So I guess we just visit each cell. Oh snap. So I guess the constraints are so small because we have to, I guess it's gonna be like 15 times 15 times 15. So that's 15. What's 15 cubed? Would that be the time complexity? I don't know. In Rosis in the house. What's happening in Rosis? How are you doing? The Google office is about 15 minutes from me. It's mostly Android devs. Man, how'd you know that? I don't even know what's in Atlanta. You got friends there or something? There are at most 25 cells containing gold. All right, I'm just gonna go for something, man. There's a dang DP problem on the contest, and I feel so bad that I couldn't solve it. How do I solve this one? So I guess we want to go in all directions, up, down, left, right. And starting from any cell, and we just choose all those paths. Man, this, just because I can't solve this problem immediately makes me feel like I'm super rusty and I need to practice more. SM123, what's happening? You should visit the Google office at Chicago when they are finished with it. I didn't know that there's a office they're building. Yeah, there's a lot of Google offices out there, man. I don't know if I can visit all of them. I don't even think I've ever been to Chicago that I remember. Never visit a cell with 0 gold. All right, all right. So do I just like try to start from every cell as the beginning? Let me do that. So I'll say if we go out of bounds, then we just return 0. I guess if the cell is 0, then we also just return 0. Is this DP, man? Or is this like... I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I guess maybe I can create a copy of the grid every time and like modify it as I go. I'm gonna just call that mat. And then here I guess we can just mark it as 0 or something. And then mark it as 0 to say that we visited that cell. Oh man, actually I don't think I can do that. Hold on, I gotta think. Steven Sagiball, what's happening? How you doing? Google office in Boise, Idaho? Maybe. They got like a university there, don't they? For Enjoy Fours. Thank you very much for the follow. Man, I can't believe I don't know how to solve this. I really gotta work on my DP. Path to get maximum goal is 9, 8, 7. Let me think for a second. Let me think. I guess we can mark it as 0. No. I don't know if we can. I applied to coding game? Oh man. That's crazy. Gonna make Clash of Code great again. Did you hear back from them or anything? I didn't know that they're hiring like that, man. Do they pay like FANG money? I'm out for the night, but best of luck on everything and good luck with your summer travel and moving. We'll follow you on Discord or YouTube. Yeah, thank you very much, Traveling JS. I'd say I might not even take a break, but you never know. 50 to 60K salary. Dang. Oh, it's in Europe. So would you move? Like, suppose they got back to you and like, man, in Rosis, we really want to hire you, but you gotta move back to Europe. Would you go back for that salary? Man, I think I'm like tripping myself out over DP lately. Not right now, it's more for the meme. Yeah, I see what you're saying, man. Alright, so we start at 9. We try to go here, we can't go there, we can't go there. Or we can go like here. Then once we're here, you know, I guess I suppose like I shouldn't try to mark it as seen like that. Maybe I should like use a cache instead and all right, I think I've gathered my thoughts a bit. So I'll finish that DP function in a bit. Let me get the rest of this thing out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to iterate through all the cells. And then I'm gonna be like, clear my cache. Let me make a cache real quick. Size rows. And this is size calls. Fill it with -1s. Man, Enrosis speaks so many languages. He speaks like French, English, Chinese, and who knows what else. How many other languages do you speak, man? I've heard you speak Chinese on your stream. It's crazy. You just switch between so many languages. What else do you need? Wait, what do you mean? Dang, Japanese too? What do I need to solve this problem? Or what else do you need besides speaking French, English, Chinese, and Japanese? Oh, as far as languages, I guess Spanish would be a nice addition to that arsenal. What's another nice language? Yeah, I think, what are the most popular languages in the world? I'd say Chinese, English. I don't know where Spanish is. If I had to guess, I'd say Spanish is up there in the top 3, maybe? Top 4? Hold up. We're doing it. So we have this cache. We're gonna clear it every time we run this DP. Right? But we also need this function here. Do I pass down the matrix every time? I suppose I don't need to do that then if I have this cache. I was copying the matrix because I was thinking about modifying the matrix to mark things as seen like that, but I'm not going to do that anymore. Anyways, I guess that's it. Let me finish this DP function. So we gotta go, let me make my directions. There's, and it goes up, it goes left, it goes right, and then it goes down. Now, so in our DP, we want to like visit all those directions. So let's iterate through them. For every direction in directions, dang, it's called dirs. We'd say the new R is R plus dir 0, new C is C plus dir 1. And then I guess we just DP with that new R, new C. And what do we return here? We should probably return the best. Yeah, but we also have to set that in the cache. So should this cache just be RC? I suppose that sounds reasonable. I don't think there's another state that we need here. Alright, so maybe this is it, man. Should I just send this, see what's up? Is there anything I forgot to do? I guess I forgot to put that. Can I overflow? Nah. Out of bounds covered. Should I send it, man? Does anyone else hear vocalizations? What are you talking about? Mr. Friend, what's happening? Let me run it. Jesus Christ. It's called grid. Oh, you know what? I didn't even add. Come on now. Wait. Let me think. Should I do that here? Or should it be like that plus the best? Yeah, I think this might work. Let me see. Oh, struggling. What does that mean, man? Up, down, left, right. How do I debug this? Oh, I know what the problem is. It's right here. How do I reset my cache, man? I just want it to do this again. But I don't know the syntax. I should like study my syntax more, man. That's definitely not the syntax. Maybe it's like, maybe it's like this. Why do you want to cache? Should I not cache? What's happening, BetSimp? How are you doing? Man, is this incorrect? Is this syntax just terrible? Or what? Let me take that out. I don't know what's happening, man. I really don't know what's happening right now. Yeah, see constraints? Yeah, I saw them. I suppose I'm struggling. That's what's happening right now. Super rusty, man. Maybe that's why I need a break. So something ain't right when it goes. Rust equal more practice? Nah, man. I can't be practicing so much in the next few months, smart coder. 0, 1, 0. What the hell, man? It ain't supposed to be going back to 0 like that. So it goes here. Oh, so that goes back to where we came from. I see, I think. How do I, man, it's like I don't even know how to do a DP on a DFS, man. It's crazy. This is like the same problem I was having, I think, with the contest. I just didn't know how to do the DP nicely. Anyways, let me think for a second. So in Rosa says we can just brute force it. Anyways, should I give up, man? Should I just look at the solution and see where I messed up? I think I see what's happening, but I don't know how to fix it, man. Don't give up. I'll try not to. So I'm just trying to like start at every cell. But how do I mark? I guess I don't really know how to do DP like that. You know, 4-directional grid DP. I don't know how to get out of this part where it's like going back and forth between things. It's like I enter at 0, 0, and then I try to hit all the adjacent cells, and then it goes into one, and then it tries to go back to 0, 0. So how do I mark that as seen? But then it's like not cached yet, you know? I don't know what to do. What if I just prevented it from going to itself, like its parent? Would that help? I'm not sure, because then I can go there, can go here. Are you tracking the cells you already visited? I thought I was, but it's not doing it. I'm just caching on R and C, but then it doesn't actually set the cache until it finishes. So it's like it's hitting all those cells it visited. So I guess I don't mark it as visited until it finishes processing that cell. So maybe I need like another thing where I feel that's kind of weird though, man. But I'll see what I can do. Franco Demise, what's happening? Try it without caching. Yeah, that's what Enrosis was saying, Brett. So if I didn't cache things, how would I... If I didn't cache things, I would create a copy of the thing, because I'd like modify the values, like right here. Set the grid to 0 and then back to its original value afterwards. Oh yeah, actually I wasn't even thinking of setting back to the original value afterwards, but I think that's kind of backtracky. I guess I can try that. Issy Hogo, what's happened? C++ LeetCode, why not JavaScript? What? Why not JavaScript? I don't know if that is a serious question, man. I don't think it is. Oh, man. Hold up. So I'm passing down... I gotta make a copy of the grid. And it's called mat right here. Wait, do I have to make a copy of it? I don't even think I have to make a copy of it if I'm just changing its original value back. So maybe I can just take this part out and then I just do it like that. Drollmess, thank you very much for the follow. Man, I struggled a lot on this question, unfortunately. My brain just ain't working lately, I think. Terrible daily for me. Anyways, I just couldn't wrap my head around trying to cache that in a DFS with all 4 directions. And maybe this is why I couldn't do Q3 on the weekly in Rosys. I think I had the same struggles. I was trying to do the dang 4 directional DP and I just couldn't figure it out, man. Actually, I think I did figure it out, but I did it on RC and it TLE'd, where I guess mine was like n squared. Chandu16, what's happened? Sound of a sub. How many problems are you solving per day? Man, I only train 3 times a week, and the days that I train, maybe like 3 problems, 4 problems. You can solve this with caching. You can number each cell with positive goal. Use bit mask to track. Let me think about that, Brett. Number each cell with positive gold. Oh, I see what you're saying. So give each goal cell an ID. And then since we only have 25 cells, then with the bit mask we can tell which ones we've seen and which ones we haven't seen and stuff. Interesting idea. That never even occurred to me, man. I suppose anytime I see things like less than 32 somethings, I should always think about bit masking. But my bit mask is questionable. I think I understand the concept of bit masking, but my implementation, I always have to kind of think about what I'm doing. Bit mask or backtrack. Yeah, I suppose this is backtrack-ish. I call it DP, but it ain't no DP. Why do you need bit masking? I don't think you need it, but it was just solving it with using a cache instead. Anyways, not very happy with my performance on this daily problem. Where do we go from here? That's what we need to figure out, man. Should we do elite rooms? Should I just do 0 track? How are y'all feeling? Go upwards, hopefully, man. If there's like 4 people or more who want to do elite rooms, I'll do elite rooms. Otherwise, maybe I'll just do some 0 tracks. Zero tracks 17 to 18, yeah. How'd you know I was about to do that? But I feel even 17 to 1800 has been feeling kind of hard lately. What we really need is that dang binary search back. Yeah, maybe. Maybe that is what we need. Easy, medium, elite rooms? Oh, I don't know. Ralo Gomez 98. What's happening? Is Twitch my full-time job? No, man. Definitely not. I stream on Twitch. I wouldn't even call it a job. It's more like a hobby for me. Kind of. I don't know how to categorize it. Alright, let me see if I can solve this 1708. If I can solve this 1708 without any troubles, maybe we'll do elite rooms. Dang, look how many 1708s there are. Shit. Wrong button. Which one should I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Minimum number of coins for fruit. I don't think I've done this one. Sackmatic 1231. How you doing? Just curious, have you coded any big projects, or are you focusing only on Leet problems? I have not coded any big projects in a really long time, man. Maybe at work, but personal projects, haven't done a personal project since like 5 years maybe, or something more. Stocks, man, wait. Well, maybe I already clicked on one, man. So, enjoying doing LeetCode, or is it for job prep? It is not for job prep. I try to convince myself that I enjoy LeetCode. Sometimes it is frustrating, and I get down like I am recently, like today, last week. But other times it's a lot of fun, especially when I get things right, you know? So I guess it's like any game. Sometimes I play Madden and it's so much fun. I have a blast playing it. I'm like so addicted. I'm playing 10 games a day and shit like that. But other times, man, Madden can get so frustrating and I hate that game so much, you know? I just want to throw my controller out the window or into the TV or something, you know? That's how LeetCode is for me. But I don't rage that much. What do you think of the new LLM model by Closed AI? I don't think anything of it because I don't even know what they announced today, man. Piss Bucket, what's happening? Welcome to the party. All right, here we go. Minimum number of coins for fruits. The real Raymond Jones, what's happening? Man, why the sad face? Same, I haven't had big drive to solve many problems recently except for a couple last days. But last 2 weeks mostly just been doing daily. Yeah, I think anytime I take a long break like I did when I went to Jamaica, it kind of makes me lose my drive a bit, man. Like, I feel I forget all the stuff that has been accumulating since I've been practicing. And then when I get back out there on the field and I'm like dropping touchdown passes and stuff like that, it's a bit demoralizing. But you just gotta work your way back up to like being game ready, you know? All right, here we go. You are at a fruit market with different types of exotic fruits on display. You're given a one indexed array prices, where prices I denotes the number of coins needed to purchase the ith fruit. The fruit market has the following offer. If you purchase the ith fruit at prices I coins, you can get the next I fruits for free. Note that if you can take a fruit J for free, you can still purchase it for prices J coins to receive a new offer. Return the minimum number of coins needed to acquire all the fruits. I'm thinking DP, man, immediately. I'm thinking it's like take it or leave it or something like that. Maybe kind of like a house robber type problem. This is my type of problem, easy money. We'll see. Should be in like 2 weeks. No, if I pass or fail. Wait, real Raymond Jones. I must have missed something, man. I saw that you had an Amazon thing reach out to you, but I didn't know that you took the on-site, or is that like a phone screen or what? All right. So we can either purchase the dang thing and then skip I+1. Yeah, easy work, man. Oh, smart coder wants to race. All right, let's do the type racer, and then I'm gonna come back and one-shot this dang problem. We'll see about that one shot. But here we go. Who's here for type racer, man? Should we do a little bet? We should do a little bet, probably. But I don't know what the bet would be. Maybe will I get over 100 WPMs? How about that? Or if real Raymond Jones is gonna be racing in Rosis, are you gonna be racing? Maybe we can do something with all of us. But in Rosis is the fast one, man. I don't know if I want to try and race in Rosis. All right, this is the bet, man. Shit, I'm pressing the wrong buttons today. In Roses versus real Raymond Jones, man. I already started the bet prediction. My bad. But I was gonna do the max of RRJ and Midnight Simon versus in Roses. But I think triple digits is always an easy bet. It's either yes or no. So place your bets. Will I get triple digits in Type Racer? We're about to do the Type Racer right now. I think I average in my 90s, but every once in a while I can hit a triple digit. So here is the dang racetrack. Also YouTube, anyone on YouTube, there's the dang link. And let me send the link in the Discord. Man, do I even have the Discord up? All right, the first race is the warm-up round. The second race is the championship round. And if you're a guest, you gotta log in. You got to log in. Here we go. And that's a long warm-up. Don't defenses out here. Jeez, it's gonna get... Oh shit, it's already started. This is just the warm-up, man. All right, man, everybody sucked at that warm up. These are some of the slowest speeds I've ever seen in my life. Q, what's happening? Yeah, this is the warm up, man. Don't you worry, Q. Don't you worry. The dang championship round is about to begin. Q, aren't you supposed to be at work? What's happening? Alright, championship round coming up. Let me look at these bets. What the hell? Somebody smart code is about to get super rich, man. Here we go. Championship round. Will I get triple digits? Only time will tell. I will, by the way. I can sense it. Easy work, 102. Come on now. Everybody knows I was about to get the triple digits. Man, who's that guest with 127 from Australia? Man, we know somebody from Australia, but I don't think they're in Australia right now. They might be. Who is the real champ? Guest at 127. Identify yourself, please. Me? Can you take a screenshot is the second thing. Take a screenshot and just show the thing if you want to go on the board. The Type Racer Champions board. Well, I guess it disappeared. I don't know if you had time to screenshot that, man. GG from YouTube, what's happened? Please solve this problem. Kth missing positive integer. Alright, maybe I'll solve it after the problem I'm doing right now. I failed the thing that asked me to prove I could type it after. Dang. Alright, I believe you, man. I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna put your name up there. How much was that? I forget how fast it was. 127 maybe? I'm gonna just put 127. What is today's date? Today's the 13th. And we got a new Type Racer champ. How do you spell your name? Let me see that. Droll Mass with a 127. Easy championship. And then let me select the bet. Will I get over triple digits? Yeah, I got like 102 or something. Easy work. Yes. So Smart Coder did not get rich. Smart Coder lost $1,000. All right. Back to, man, what is this? Premium feature. Nah, I don't need that. Yeah, I'm gonna solve this one real quick and then I'll do this one requested by Gigi. Here we go. So let me make, how do you do this, man? I actually don't know. I thought I could do it, but now I'm thinking I don't really know how to do it. We need a one-shot bet for this? Nah, I don't even know if I can solve it, man. How was the contest? Terrible, terrible. I only got 2 out of 4. I lost like 30 something elos. Alright, so I can either buy that fruit Wait, do we acquire all the fruit? Yeah, so what do I need? Maybe I need like man, it looks like we need some type of state in there, like a n squared thing. So like, let me try and figure this out. So I'm thinking we need an j. Let me try and rename this. Maybe like a previous purchase. Hector HSC. Thank you very much for the 100 bits. You already know. I'm gonna put your name up on the board. Well, your name's already on the board. I'm gonna put some diamonds next to it. Where are we at? We're right here. Thank you very much, Hector HSC. Look at all of those diamonds right here. You're about to get one more diamond. Boom. Easy money. Easy money. All right, so here's what I'm thinking for this problem. JCast19 in the house. How you doing? Wait, what was I thinking? Yeah, so if we go out of bounds, then we just return 0, right? Chilling with my 60k channel points. Dang, you're rich. Is it because you bet that I was gonna go downtown? How am I? Chilling, man. I'm also chilling. I was talking about I might take a little break from streaming for the next few months, but I'm not sure yet. I mean, I think it's gonna happen, but I don't know if I'm gonna go like completely silent and off the grid, or if I'm gonna like stream at a reduced schedule, maybe like one time a week or something, or what, you know. I might do like once a week only on contests, at least until the end of summer. Work, maybe personal life, maybe a little bit of both. And I think I just want to, yeah. Wait, what just happened? Demons. Thank you very much for the Prime subscription, man. Let me put your name up. Give me some stars. Right here, right here. Two stars. Thank you very much. Appreciate everything. Oh yeah, what was I talking about? Yeah, JCast19. I'm saying I think work is about to get busy for sure. And life is about to get busy. I'm about to move. Big move coming up. And I also want to shift some of my time that I've allocated for streaming on Twitch and just repurpose that time to like do YouTube for a little bit. I think once I get a few videos out there on YouTube, then maybe I don't have to spend as much time in the beginning. I feel in the beginning I need to like have like a vault of videos, you know. Oh, Het Tennis, what's happened? I blew up over there 2 weeks ago. Dang, you're famous. Live streams did it. Yeah, my YouTube live streams aren't that great. I'm gonna be honest. I think they're just too loose and not very informative. Dang, 63k. Big numbers, man. You can get an Indian editor for 4 hours. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do this route. At least not yet. Haplo Echo. What's happened, man? Been a long time. Do some game dev related vlog. I don't do game dev, man. All right, let me solve this problem, man. So, hold up. If we go out of bounds, it's 0. And I guess we have two choices. We can either purchase at full price or take for free if we can. So how do we determine that? I guess we can always purchase it at full price. Right? So the full price is just gonna be the price plus I plus 1. And then if we purchase this, then the previous purchase is I. So how do we know if we can take the item for free? I don't know yet. But maybe should I do 2 E9? 1 E9 might be okay. So we can take it for free if the previous purchase. Okay, let me get this formula right. So if previous purchase plus 1, that's like how many next fruits we can get. How do I figure this out, man, without going crazy? So if we bought this first one, that means this one is good. Let me do some dang ASCII drawing. So these are my indices. If I did this one, then all right, so this one would be out. So that's like the current index minus the previous purchase plus 1 is there. I think that means that we're still in the free zone and we can take it for free. And then we just return the minimum of those two. And I guess we have to add a cache. Let me remove these things here. Should add a cache, and we're gonna cache it on n 2 times. So maybe I'll add a +1 for good luck. And then I'll check the cache, like if hold on, I'm thinking maybe I should take this out. Wait, I don't know how to kick this off, man. Maybe I should just +1 to it if I start at -1 for the previous purchase. I'll figure that one out in a bit. So it's gonna just be like return. Should I start -1 as my previous purchase? Gotta think. Because then I have to pad it by 1. Or should I just start at 0 since it's 1 indexed, and then I just +1 there, and then that way I don't have to +1 here. Should I have that less than 0 then? Alright, we'll find out, man. We'll find out. Alright, here we go. Mehmet Ep15, what's happening? Welcome. Come on, man. Oh, can I overflow? Oh no. Nah, it ain't right. It ain't right. Something ain't looking too good out here. Man, 13? What the hell? It's like I purchased the one for full price. And then if the current thing... Oh, it would have to be less than or equal to 0. I guess I can just be like something like that. There we go. I would have not have one-shotted that. Oh dang, it's not even close. What the hell, man? I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I ain't doing something right. How was Osaka? Osaka is nice, man. It's probably one of my favorite cities in the world. Alright, I think I have like either an off by 1 error or my logic is completely wrong here. And I don't know which one it is. Am I from Osaka? I am not from Osaka, but I lived there for almost 2 years a while ago. Before COVID and stuff. So we can, if I purchase the ith fruit, let me read it. If you purchase the ith fruit at prices I coins, you can get the next I fruits for free. So maybe I should just be like I plus 1. No. Because I still have to go to the next one, man. I feel like Pancash, what's happening? I feel like it's a caching error. Yeah, it could be. It could be. Should I remove that? Nah. I don't get what's happening. So these are the next free fruits. The last part. Oh wait, let me think for a minute. Camera. The camera right here I'm using is a D750 with 3D cache. Oh, wait, no. What would be the next thing in the cache? Marcio Tomoiko 1, thank you very much for the follow. Cache is fine, just get my indices straight. All right, let me use all my brain power to figure out my dang indices. So it's like one indexed. So the previous purchase is here. And then that means maybe that should be a +1 there. Wait, maybe I should like +1 here. And then now I don't have to +1 there. And that way 0 will never occur. So if it's 0, that means we have not purchased anything. Is that right, man? It's the same thing. I just wanted that test case. So six. Okay, so it's like you buy the first one, you get this for free. You buy 6, you get these for free, and then you buy that and you get those for free. Oh, Larry NY, what's happening? What is the peeing sound? That is probably somebody upstairs taking a shower or doing the dishes or something. Happy Ronin Dev, thank you very much for the follow. Man, where is my error? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, he's saying my if statement is wrong. Problems. Here it is. Do I speak Japanese? I do not. I do not. Alright, so I'm gonna use this example here, right? So if I purchased, let's say 6, that means I should get this one for free, this one for free, and maybe this one for free. So this previous purchase would be 3. And my I, let's see, like, let's try like 5. Let me think. It's like 5. All right, let me look for one that we can't do. 6. Oh, wait. I don't know. I don't know why I even thought about doing this, man. I see. Maybe that should be like... I don't know what I thought. I think I put 0 there. because I tried it with the 0. Wait, that's not right either. But it's really close. It's a lot closer than it was. 5 was good. All right, so if it's inbounds, right? So 2 should be the limit. So maybe that should be just like less than. I hate it when it has some abstract things and it pretends it's a real life example by adding fruit to it. I think I see what you're saying, Larry. All right, this one really messed me up, man. I don't know why I couldn't think about this silly equation, but maybe I should have just like laid down an example with some real numbers. That always clears things up for me. If I have to think about what the right thing is, I'm usually wrong. All right, that didn't go as smooth as I'd hoped, but I guess I solved it. And oh man, I forgot, someone from YouTube asked me to try and solve this problem, so I guess I'll do that. The fast solution is a monotonic queue. Monotonic queue didn't even cross my mind, man. I suppose the first thing I saw was take it or leave it, and then I looked at the constraints, and I think the constraints kind of confirmed that take it or leave it was right. But once I saw that, I didn't even think like, could it be done faster than n squared? It didn't even cross my mind. So sometimes these constraints will like hold you down, you know? They're holding me back. What is monotonic queue? A monotonic queue is like a queue where all the elements in the queue are strictly, or they're monotonic. I don't know. I don't know how to describe what monotonic means. Like it's always going up or down, but never up then down. Constraints make you think it is harder than it is. Yeah, they do, man. All right, YouTuber Gigi, are you there? Are you there? If you're not here, man, I don't know if I'm about to do this problem. I think if you're not here and you don't respond, I'll go on to like a different 0 track. Oh, that's you? Dang, smart coder. Why are you trying to trick me, man? Why you want me to do these problems? All right, here we go. Oh, that's not you. You're tricking me. Okay. Kth missing positive integer or number? GG, is this the problem right here? Can you like tell me the number of the problem? Comfy Rin. What's happening? I missed their message. All right, 1539. All right, here we go. Kth missing positive number. Given an array of positive integers sorted in strictly increasing order and an integer k, return the kth positive integer that is missing from this array. Did you see my message by accident? Oh, snap. I see. Oh, monotonic stack is unidirectional, strictly increasing or strictly decreasing values. Yeah, that's right. That's the official definition. It's not so bad. All right, let me think about this one. So it's marked as easy, but I guess we can do it. All right, here's what comes to mind first. First positive. So maybe, jeez, do I like? I'm trying to gather my thoughts. I'm like, if missing is X, let me think. Anytime I see an easy problem and I don't know immediately how to solve it, I start to panic. So this one, they say the answer is 9 because missing positive integers are blah, 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 blah. So we can say like, if that happens at decrement k, I don't know if this is right, man. Should I think? So 1. Let me think here. Oh. No, this doesn't seem like it's gonna work. I don't know what I was thinking here. Happy Ronin Dev, what's happening? Start backwards plus 2 pointers. Hold on. What can we do? What can we do, man? Yeah, this problem less than ON. I guess this is ON, but it's not even right. How do you solve this ON? So 1 is missing. That's the first. I guess, wait. So I guess the missing number has to be somewhat small. Man, I think I'm deteriorating at LeetCode, man. Every problem is like so challenging. It doesn't even matter what the rating is these days. Anything is just giving me a hard time. So Kth missing. I don't even know what to do, man. The sublinear thing is definitely not obvious. Happens. Man, it's been happening a lot lately. Real Raymond Jones. I can't even think about the linear way. Let me think. So iterate through everything. All right, let me try and explain what's coming to my mind. Maybe swapping values where they should be, but I don't think that will work because, like, where would 11 go, you know? It's out of bounds for the array. I mean, all right, the super way of like making it actually easy, I suppose I could use a set, right? But this is not great. This is like absolutely no ideas. If this is a contest, I'm doing something like this for Q1. And I just go through, maybe I'll like, we just need to find k missing ones, like while k greater than 0, if the set doesn't contain num, then something like that. That might be off by something. 12, expected 9. Oh wait. Wait, maybe I have that wrong. So if it doesn't have it, then decrement. Man, my brain ain't working. Hold on. I have the same issue with these types of problems. The biggest obstacles are your previous success. What? Steven Sagball, what's happened again? You do need the else. Wait, yeah, I don't know what my brain was doing, but it just kind of went blank. So this is saying if this number is not, if it's not in the thing, we should, this is like a missing number, right? Otherwise it is. And then what? So maybe it's like off by 1 now, because it goes minus minus when it's like already 0. Man, it took me too long to think about that. So this is like the bad solution maybe. But now I suppose you want to know how we can do this in less than O(n) complexity. All right, let me try that. So binary search less than O(n). I don't even know. Just YOLO. What? Wait, you know, if k greater than array back, then the answer would be what? Is that true, Q? Maybe not always. How do I do a prime sub these days, man? I don't even know, but I've heard people say like they change around the prime sub placement so it's harder to find. Man, binary search. So what would we guess? Would we try to guess the missing number? No. I don't know what to do. Do I guess? All right, so things are sorted. Let me look here. Oh, Larry NY. Thank you very much for that Prime subscription, man. Thank you so much. Are you up here for 24, man? Oh, about to be up here for 2024. Thank you so much, Larry. Always appreciate the support. I always talk about how you are basically the reason I started to stream. So maybe I won't go into it too much right now. But man, if y'all don't know who Larry NY is, Larry NY is my biggest inspiration for streaming. Before I started to stream, before I even knew how to like traverse a graph or make an adjacency list or do a binary search properly, I used to watch Larry NY streaming almost like weekly or something. This was like 2020 during COVID. Larry was streaming. That's where I found Larry's stream in the LeetCode contest discussion. Larry used to do what Chi does, where he posts, oh man, got 4 out of 4, going over the contest now. And he'd post his YouTube video, and me and B Becca used to watch Larry NY when we were super noobs. And we used to be like, man, this guy is insane at LeetCode. Look at him, he just solves them like they're nothing. And we used to really look up to Larry. I still look up to Larry, not used to. I've always looked up to Larry. But yeah, so now Larry is in this stream and everything is good, man. Larry's out here inspiring thousands of people. All right, what we're doing, we're trying to figure out this thing. So these are my indices. I'm guessing like something to do with, so the K is 5 here, right? So if we chose like this index 3 or 1 and the number is 3, then the diff, it's like nums I minus I. The diff minus 1 is number of missing integers, right? Larry's on Twitch too? Yeah, Larry's on Twitch, Larry's on YouTube, Larry's everywhere, but I guess not really on Twitch anymore. Might do random system design streams. Yeah, I think in Rosis and Real Raymond Jones are always doing like system design stuff. Okay, so this formula might give me the number of missing integers. So then how do I use this? All right, so we chose this index. This is equal to 1 missing. That's less than 5. So we need to go right. So let's say we chose this index now. So 7 minus 3 is 4 minus 1. That means there's 3 integers missing up to this index, which is 1, 5, and 6. So that's not right either, because it's too low. Then we go right and we basically hit the end of the array, and the difference here man, what do I do in this case? 11 minus 4 is 7, minus 1 is 6 numbers missing. So that's too much. So between 3 and 4, it's a number in between here. So if this is too much, it's probably like, maybe we find the index with less than or equal to the amount of numbers missing, and then we do something. This is what I would think to do here, man. So let me try to implement something like that. So this is standard binary search. I'm just regurgitating my template. So what are we actually doing? We're picking a midpoint. We're seeing how many missing integers are there. And what's the formula? Nums I minus I. So I guess that's nums m minus m minus 1. And what do we do, man? I guess we'd be like, if the number of missing is equal to k, then the answer is nums m minus 1. It's like the previous number, right? Well, no. Dang. That's not necessarily true, is it? I don't know yet. It's tricky. I think you can find the 1 less than k minus minus in binary search, and then the same thing. Double binary search. Let me think. So if it's a number of missing integers, does it mean it's minus? I don't think this is true right here. But I know for sure if the number of missing is less than k, then we gotta go left. No, we gotta bring up the left. And if it's is greater than k, then we gotta bring it back down. But if it's equal to k, I don't know what to do, man. Maybe I can just be like, all right, I'm gonna try some things. Wait, I don't know what I was trying to try. Maybe this one here. And then I'll record this as my best index. I think we can do it in ON easily. Yeah, I just solved it in ON. Now I'm trying to do it in less than ON time complexity. But I am not too certain. I'm not too certain, man. I don't know what to do now. So I gotta think. I think that's my problem, man. My thinking juice, my brain juice has just been so low lately. It's hard for me to like get into deep thoughts. So the best is going to represent, in this case, what is that going to represent? I'm trying to do it without like just submitting, you know. So I guess in this example it would be 11 or 4. And then it's just gonna be okay. So if best is -1, that means it's the back plus the difference in the number of missing. And then if it's greater than, then maybe it's just all right, here we go. So if nums best minus best minus 1, what am I saying, man? If this is equal to k, then it's that. Wait, but if best is -1, that means we never found, like, the number missing isn't in the array, or it's not, it's smaller than the biggest number. So then it's like hold on, what's the number missing here? It's like nums back minus n minus 1 minus 1. Maybe it's just minus n. Nums back minus n. 0. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, nums back minus n. So that's how many missing. And then it's just like that, maybe. All right, let's see. I'm done. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna just give up. Oh man. Come on, man. What are they talking about, man? If oh yeah. Jesus Christ. I don't know if this logic even makes sense. It's not right. So, all right. It's not this, and then what do I, so I need an else here. Oh yeah, so otherwise we return, I see what to do now. I gotta find the number of missing and then subtract like something from that. what's my formula again? This is terrible code, but hopefully it will pass, you know? So this is the number of missing. And then what we're looking for is, this is that, and then I'd subtract the diff maybe. I don't even know what I just did, but it works. So, all right, that was tough, man. I'm not gonna lie. I think the idea wasn't too tough, but implementing it for me was like really tough. It got really weird with a bunch of off by ones. But I think that works. That is, so this would be n log n, just log n, right? Yeah. All right, GG, there you go. That's the binary search answer. And that is a tough question to answer, man, in an interview setting. You just turned an easy into a medium. I didn't turn it into a medium, man. LeetCode turned that into a medium. Definitely tough though. I'm not sure if I could do this one under pressure. I guess streaming is kind of like under pressure, you know. I don't want to look like a fool when I'm doing it live, even though it happens more often than not. Anyways, the training continues. Where do we go now? I think we got to step it up to like 1900 to 2K for the final hour. 1987, man. That is the year of the rabbit. Time to step it up to Code Forces? Nah, I ain't ready for all that, man. You crazy. All right, here we go. 1987. Oh, there's no 1987, but we got numbers at most n given digit set. Hard. Submissions, nothing. All right, let's see what we can do. Given an array of digits which is sorted in non-decreasing order, you can write numbers using each digit as many times as we want. For example, if digits is 135, we may write numbers such as 13, 551, and 1351315. Return the number of positive integers that can be generated that are less than equal to a given integer n. Man, is this a dang digit DP problem? Or... oh, snaps. I can't do digit DP, man. It's been like a year since I tried a digit DP. But wait, it might be something else. Let me try and give it some thoughts first. Oh, by the way, Pankaj is in the house. If y'all don't know who Pankaj is one of my most earliest viewers on this stream. And Pankaj has just had his first stream himself. Like, when was it? Like 2 days ago or something? So if you don't know about Pankaj, you should definitely go follow and watch out for his next stream. Mackie, we were 1012. Thank you very much for the follow. All right, at most n given. How am I gonna do this? Do I just backtrack it, man? No, I can't backtrack that. Can I? Less than or equal to integer n. I guess I could try. Man. Big Mama Tristana, what's happening? You're missing the standard in front of vector. Nah, that ain't me, man. That's LeetCode doesn't use that junk. Ep15, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Why does it feel like backtracking? Yeah, that's what I'm feeling, Pankaj. I'm feeling I should just hit them with the backtrack and see if that works. How would I backtrack though? Do I just like keep selecting a digit? No, I don't know if this is, I don't know what to do actually. Man, struggling out here today. All right, let me just try something. Disgusting code without the standard. Man, I don't know about that. I suppose I use this at work, the standard, but for LeetCode, I don't think anybody uses it on LeetCode. Imagine doing LeetCode without namespace standard. Yeah, it's gonna look crazy. Or something. Oh, don't defense is trying to do a little type racer. Man, Larry NY is one of the fastest typers I know. All right, here we go. Type racer real quick, and then I'm gonna get back to that problem. I'm lying in bed. Oh no. It's all good. No pressure to compete. But wait, should we do a bet, man? Who's here for type racer? Let me see if, well, Q is here. Maybe I can race Q. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Manage, open the casino. Yeah, manage the predictions. Larry versus don't defense. Yeah, Larry's in bed though. I don't know if Larry wants to like race like that. All right, what is this prediction gonna be? Oh no, don't defense. You're not allowed to. If your name is in the contestants, you're not allowed to vote for the other person. All right, let's do this. All right. Don't defense versus Midnight Simon. Wait. The max of me and Q Ultimus. How about that? That is the bet. Who's gonna win? Have zero chance? Nah, that's not true. That's not true. I think you're faster than Q and me. So do ABS? What? All right, this is the bet. Don't defense. You gotta bet on yourself. You don't have to bet a whole lot on yourself, but you have to at least bet $100 or something. Adding? Nah, that's gonna be too crazy. All right, place your bets. Place your bets. What if they're equal? Oh, good question. So if they're equal, then don't defense wins. So me and Q, the max of our score, it has to be greater than don't defense. I should have put that in the title there, but I'm telling you now, man. Don't $100? Come on. I think don't defense has all right, you gotta put a little bit more than $100, man. But I guess now you have some incentives to win, you know. All right, here we go. First race is the warm-up round. The second race is the championship round. Smart Coder wants some of that money. Where's Discord? Discord, Type Racer. First race, warming up. Here we go. Warm-up round. Here's Q Ultimus. This is me. And this is Don't Defense. Look at that. Best race 125. Man, look at Don't Defense go. Look at that. Don't defense too easy. That was just the warm-up round though. And Q likes to go fast in the warm-up round. Usually Q is a lot slower in the championship race than in the warm-up round. Q gets nervous on the racetrack. Scaring you? Wait, what? Nah, come on now. Oh dang, 62,000 JCast 19. That's a lot of money, man. Oh shit. Oh man, Q is really good at long passages too. All right, here we go. Championship race. Let's see what happens. Terrible, man. Oh snap. Q with the 97. Larry NY with 115 miles per hour. Crazy. From bed, Larry just whooped everybody up, man. The only triple digit on the racetrack today. Easy from bed. And man, JCast 19. Oh lordy. Oh lordy, man. I feel the pain. I meant to bet on... Yeah, right. Oh man. Oh shit. That's not even funny. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's terrible. What a terrible mistake. Don't worry, JCast 19. I have a... Man, what is this? PA. When did that happen? I think that's a bug. Anyways. Should I erase that line? Wait. Oh, shit. I don't know how to use nano, man. Where did that PA come from? I'm gonna take it out. You were about to add your name, but it was previously there. Oh, I see. Thank you, Pankaj. I was like, what the hell? All right, Larry NY with the 115. That's what's happening right now. Easy championship from bed. And then let's I got tired during that. It was long. Yeah, same. Time to choose the bet, man. JCast 19. Let me tell you about the time I gambled away like 8 bitcoins, man. Or was it 5? I think I gambled away 5 bitcoins by accident. 5 BTCs, man. I meant to bet like 0.5. But I bet 5 instead. But this was a long time ago. This was when bitcoins were worth like $300-400 bucks. I was betting on one of those websites, like you send your transaction to some wallet, and if the transaction hash is high or low, you win, basically. So I think if it's like lower than half, you win. If it's greater than half, you lose. And I bet like 5 bitcoins when I was trying to bet only a couple $100, man. And then I lost it. Billionaire to millionaire. Yeah, I could have been. I mean, I would probably not been that rich, but I could have had some money. So don't defense loses here. Man, oh best big money. Q Ultimus almost at the dang 1 million mark. Cliffstar, Pankaj, Larry NY. Easy money out there. Did you win though? Nah, man, I lost. 100% lost. Alright, so where are we at? At most n given digits. I can attempt it. Let's try this. Man, I just had my mind just blanked out. I don't even know what just happened right there. What was I doing? I was trying to figure out what I'm doing, I guess. Pankaj, see you later, man. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy your classes. Is this backtracking? Or what? Enjoyed the dang stream. Nice. Thank you. I might drop out. There are no goth girls like you said there would be. Man, that's not true, man. There must be at least one. I guess they might not be in CS. But man, why are you dropping out? Is it because you can't focus on school since you already have a job? It's hard to even care, or what? Yeah, it's tough to study when you already got the job. It's like you already got the reward that people would get for going to school and studying. So it's like, what's your motivation to study all these things when you already got the job, man. School is also a lot of work. I respect it now. Yeah, it is a lot of work for sure. Man, do what you gotta do. But, you know, don't feel too bad about dropping out. I don't think it was super necessary that you needed school. I don't know what to do here. Maybe I'll make it into an integer, right? So string to integer s. And then how many digits? I don't know what to do here. Why are you doing hards today? I try and do hards all the time, man. This is like the last problem I'll probably do. I feel like it's not backtracking. But let me think. Because, all right, 149. We hit the 1. Yeah. So I'm thinking in this, I'll just like iterate over. And then, so I guess it would be like times 10 plus d, and then you backtrack, and then you undo it. How do you undo it, man? It's like minus d divided by 10. And then here we'd be like, if this is greater than n, is it greater than or less, like less than or equal to n? Yeah, so if num is greater than n, we should just return. Can I do that, man? I don't think so, but I'll try. X proof, what's happening? Are you in New York City now or on the East Coast? Yeah, I'm in NYC. All right, that ain't right. How am I get 0? Oh, because I don't even call the dang thing. Guardian soon? No, I think I'm so far away from Guardian now. I think my racing is on the decline, and I don't think I'll have time to like study for a while. 21. Why am I off by 1 here? TLE? I don't think it, yeah, I think that's gonna be too slow, man. I don't know what to do here. Absi COE, what's happening? Any thoughts on GPT 4.0? Nah, I don't even know what it's capable of. You gotta be able to solve 4 consistently for Guardian. Yeah, I think so, man. DJ Narvaez 7417, thank you very much for the follow. Yeah, I think however this works, I think my backtracking is either whack or it's not backtracking. Maybe it's like something else. I've not done LeetCoding forever. Dang, how long? Are you doing it now? Oh, I got one more. 1, 2, 3. I don't know what to do. All right, I think 10 to the 9. Yeah, you're right, man. 10 to the 9 is too big. So it must be like a digit DP then, which I forget how to do it. So maybe I should just look at the solutions. Dang, binary search, what the hell? Hold up, binary search, dynamic programming. How the hell are you gonna binary search that, man? Let me think. No idea. This problem is too hard for me. Should I just peek at the solutions? Yeah, I think so. Log n? What the hell? Digit DP. I knew it was a dang digit DP. Where's BetSimp when we need him for his digit DP lessons? I should have like tried to drill in some digit DP problems, because now it's gone, you know. I guess I could like study a solution or something. Intuitive thinking. Digit DP. Alright, let me try and remember digit DP, man. Oh lordy. I don't know if I have the brain juice to try and figure out digit DP right now. Anyways, should I just move on to another problem? I don't think I can do that one right now, man. You solved it? Nah, I didn't solve it. But I think I realized it was digit DP from the beginning, even though I tried a backtracking solution. What's that? Man, I don't even really know what digit DP is, but BetSimp taught me digit DP maybe like a year ago now. I'm gonna pass out. Oh, Larry. See you later, man. Thank you very much for coming by. See you next time. When can you use this digit DP? I don't know. I don't know, man. But here's this. Here's a Codeforces blog on it. Maybe I should like read this one day, you know, and just do all these problems. But it ain't happening today. I'm just saving to redeem my LeetCode t-shirt. Yeah, I want the LeetCode cap. And maybe some other things. Should I read this whole long ass boring article, man? Should I chill? Should I do some more problems? I don't know what to do. My brain ain't braining right now. How many coins do I have? Not much. 35 hundo. You could race on an easy. Oh, Brett wants to bet. All it has is a flag to define the next starting digit, the same as any DP otherwise. I don't know if I agree if it's the same as any DP. I remember some things about digit DP, but I don't remember everything. I don't want to bet. I want to watch you kill a problem. All right. Should we do an easy speed run? Man. For bets. It's been a while since I've tried to do that. Let me see if I can get it to work. First time I heard about digit DP. Yeah, it's generally for hard problems. Does this work? Pick one. Oh. I mean, they're all easy, so maybe it is kind of working. 15-minute Leet room with all easies. Oh, that's a good idea too. Should we do that? 15-minute, or yeah, can I finish the Leet room in 10 minutes or something? All right, here's the bet. All right, that's a good one, Smart Coder. Can I finish all the questions? No. Is 10 minutes And all right, can I finish all the easy questions in 15 minutes? Remove SQL. I think I did. Like shell. I think database, concurrency, those types of things. Yeah, removed. All four in one shot. That's almost impossible, but I like it. I like when the odds are not that great. Let's do it. Start a prediction. Well, maybe not all in one shot is a little bit ridiculous. Maybe I'll have like one life or something. Can I solve all four easies with only one wrong submission? One wrong. With only one wrong answer. Yes or no? I'll give y'all 5 minutes to bet on that. Nah, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So I'm gonna create Leet rooms, all easies, and the bet is, can I solve all four of the easies with only one wrong answer for all four? But I have to like solve it eventually. Like, you know, I can't just get 3 out of 4. There is the bet. I don't know which problems I'm gonna get. It could be really hard. It could be somewhat okay. It could be super easy ones. Barreled out. What's happened? We're about to do a little bet. I'm gonna make Leet rooms with 4 easy questions. Not sure what the questions are gonna be. And can I solve them all with only one wrong answer? Within 15 minutes, of course. Oh, King D876. Welcome to the party. I'm in 2 streams, here and YouTube. Where you at on the YouTubes? Oh, man, I just... so much easier to follow on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube doesn't refresh my chat sometimes, man. All right, place your bets. And he also can't bet on YouTube. YouTube, you need to be on Twitch to get the dang channel points. D Yashwanth, what's happening? Welcome to the party. All right, we're gonna do 4 easy problems. Can I solve them in 15 minutes with only one wrong answer allowed? And I suppose while I'm solving them, I'm going to turn on emotes only chat. So no one can tell me if I'm making either. Nah, I'm just not going to read chat for 15 minutes while I solve the problems. That's what I'm going to do. So we don't need emote only chat, because that's a long time. All right, y'all ready? The bet is over. Final bets are in. Chat's gonna read you? Nah. What? Here we go. Ignore chat for focus. All right, that was the last message I'm gonna read. Look at this. This is my YouTube chat. It's gone behind that window. This is my Twitch chat. It's also gone behind this window. Wait, how am I gonna post the Leet? I gotta post the code first before. Jesus Christ. Wait. That's not. I didn't save it. All right, here we go. All right, we gotta start right now, man. We gotta start right now. Let me hide this chat. All right. Jewels and stones. You're given strings jewels representing types of stones that are jewels, and stones representing the stones you have. Each character and stones is a type of stone you have. You want to know how many of the stones you have are also jewels. Letters are case sensitive, so A is considered to be a different type of stone than A. Okay, so I'll make a dang set. Real ones, jewels.begin, jewels.end, and then I'll iterate through my stones. Stones. And we'll be like, if we find it, then increment the answer. All right, first one, here we go. I have to make sure I don't have any errors, man. All right, ready to go. I'm gonna just submit. Oh, almost had a heart attack. All right, next one. Robot return to origin. There's a robot starting at position 00 at the origin on a 2D plane. Given a sequence of its move, judge if this robot ends up at 00 after it completes its moves. You are given a string moves that represent the move sequence of the robot, where moves I represents its ith move. Valid moves are right, left, up, and down. Return true if the robot returns to the origin after it finishes all of its moves, or false otherwise. So I'm gonna just make some coordinates here, and then if this is equal to L R up down. So if it's left, what do you do? Decrement column, increment that. If it's up, decrement that, increment that if it's down, and then man, I hope this is right. Maybe I should have used XY here. All right, I'm gonna just send it. That looks right to me. String, not character, but they have characters there. I don't know what that means. Oh, snaps. I almost submitted some junk, man. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, man. Y'all were gonna make me submit that and lose the bet? Come on now. All right, that looks more like it. So each character moves. Yeah. Here we go. Too easy. It's too easy. Next one. Man, I have to pee. It's extra difficult to do this when you have to pee. Squares of a sorted array. Given an integer array num sorted in non-decreasing order, return an array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. I'm gonna just cheese this one. This is not optimal. Non-decreasing order. That's just regular, right? Oh lordy. Yeah, I'm gonna send it in there just like that. Oh, I should have checked my code, but it's all good anyways. All right, next one, set mismatch. This is too easy, man. Oh look, I've already answered this one, but I'll delete that. You have a set of integers s which originally contains all the numbers from 1 to n. Unfortunately, due to some error, one of the numbers in s got duplicated to another number in the set, which results in repetition of one number and loss of another number. You're given an array nums representing the data status of this set after the error. Find the number that occurs twice and the number that is missing and return them in the form of an array. Jesus Christ. How are we going to do that? So how do we know what number is missing? 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5 is 9, but 1, 2 plus 3 plus 4 should be 10. Does that tell me anything? That doesn't tell me anything. Oh man, how do you solve this? I guess I don't have to do it optimally, so I could just find the duplicate number. Yeah, I could just find the duplicate number, man. I feel like a fraud by doing this though. This is not the way you're probably supposed to solve this. So I'm gonna just iterate and I'm be like, if we find this number already, like if we already seen it, that means, what does that mean? Which number should be where? Does it matter? Which one is, I guess the smaller one is first. So well, we return nums I here and then I plus 1. I don't know what to return there. All right, should I try this out, man? Oh wait, I didn't even insert the dang thing into nums I, or nums I into the set. So then if we've already seen this number, that means it's the duplicate. And the number that's missing, wait, is the thing sorted? They didn't mention it is sorted, even though in the example they gave us sorted. So I'm gonna just sort it, just to be sure. And if it's 1 through n, then the ith number should be I plus 1. Come on, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. Good thing I had that one wrong submission. Oh, Lordy. How much time do we got left? We got 5 minutes left. It's chill time. Man, that would have been terrible. So I guess if nums I equal I plus 1, I don't know if this is gonna be true here. Oh, this is definitely not true. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on, man. So that's a duplicate number. right? Maybe I don't need to sort then. Man, my brain has just gone blank. So I find a duplicate number. Oh yeah. I mean, I could sort. And then I can like... And then I'll be like, if nums I not equal I plus 1, then this is the missing number. And we can just return the dupe and the missing number. All right, here we go, man. This is my last chance to send this before everything is over. So let me try and make sure all my syntax is correct. I don't know, man. I'm gonna send it. So if we don't find... No, if we find this thing is already inserted, the duplicate is there. This shouldn't happen more than once. And then I guess we can be like, this probably isn't necessary. So if the number is the duplicate, all right, I'm gonna send this. Oh man, it's over. Jesus. How did I get that wrong, man? Oh, because I sorted it. Oh, Jesus Christ. No, no, no. Anyways, I don't know what to do for that problem. Dang. Imaginary coin, you lost your money, man. Everybody lost their money. I'm so sorry. Question says start from 1. Wait, what? Dang, look how many wrong answers. This problem is not my best problem, that's for sure. Look how many dang times I've tried this and I've not been able to solve it cleanly. This was the worst problem for me to have. Anyways, everybody solved that last one except me. Let me choose the outcome of the bet. Unfortunate. Will I solve all 4 with only 1 wrong answer? The answer is no. I did not. Cannot believe I did that. Use math. Yeah, I should have used math, man. All right, let's take a look. How much money is lost? Q, easy money. Reaction QT, smart coder in Rosis. Guy Insane, making big bucks. Clistar, thank you for your donation. Pank Edge, sorry for your loss. SM123 barreled out. DeLorean is back. JCast19, King D876. Thank you for your donations. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, all right, let's try the math. Let's try the math. So it should be, what's the formula? It's like n times n plus 1 over 2. And it actually is that. So then what is the answer? The answer is wait. It's like actually minus the dupe, and then it should be minus actually. Terrible, man. This dang problems suck. I did not donate enough earlier. What you talking about, man? Question says start from 1 to n. Yeah, shoulda, woulda, coulda, man. I messed up big time. 10 minutes left. What should we do for the last 10 minutes? Should we just chill? This might be my last stream for a while, man. So it might not be also. I think, well, I'm not sure if I'm going to stream on Wednesday because I'm flying out on Thursday and I got a lot of things to do. So I might take Wednesday to get ready. And then I'm going to be out for at least 2 weeks, maybe more, maybe like 2 months, really. Maybe I might just stream 1 time a week on the contest days or something like that. I lost so much money on the dice rolls, dang. Yeah, I don't know if we'll roll dice before I go on break, man. When are you done? If you decide to? What do you mean done? Like not streaming forever? I don't think that's happening anytime soon. But not streaming until August, September? I don't know. That's a good question. But that break, hold on, man. I gotta pee. Be right back. All right, I'm back, but not for long. I'm just chilling. Yeah, so I haven't decided yet, JCass. I might just do the contest every week, like stream that at least. I think 1 time a week isn't too bad. But there's going to be some weeks where I miss anyways. So that's why I'm saying I'm not sure if I want to stream if I'm not going to be consistent, you know. So I'd much rather have like a consistent stream where my schedule is always the same than to have like random streams where you don't even know if I'm going to be there or not. Because life is busy right now, you know. But I'll probably be in other people's streams, at least lurking and seeing what's going on. So hopefully, I think Chi Impact is coming back from his vacation probably next month. Hopefully he starts back up. Real Raymond Jones, I still see him streaming. Oh, Sean McGough, what's happening? I just seen your message. 2 pointers. What? Pat's going to have to put in more hours. Yeah, I don't know where Pat's Hello World's been, man. Is he streaming right now? We gotta raid somebody soon. Nah, he's not streaming. Isihogo playing Leagues of Legend. Come on now. I think the LeetCode streamers are losing momentum right now, man. Pat and Rosis and Raymond Jones, they gotta keep on keeping on. Or we gotta, I guess Glump is out there too recently. I haven't seen LeetCoach in a while. Has LeetCoach been on? Smart Coder says he's gonna start streaming soon also. We gotta wait for that. What time zone is Glump? Oh man, if I had to guess, it'd be West Coast. Anyways, I think that's it for me today. Those rumors ain't true. What you talking about, Smart Coder? Thought you went on vacation. No, Conum Chris. I'm talking about I might go on break, like 2-3 months without streaming, which I don't like to do too much, but sometimes I need to. You deserve it. I want to like shift focus to my YouTube a little bit more. I think right now streaming is my top priority in my content creation career, but I think YouTube should be my top priority, you know, because YouTube is where the growth is, right? Not only that, but I also have like real life parties coming up where I won't be able to stream, for like my availability is going to be sporadic. Is that the right word? I don't know. So I might just shut it down until I get back. But man, maybe y'all should watch out for my YouTubes coming up. Road to Guardian on hold. Yeah, it's been on hold too long. Can I even hit Guardian? Maybe, yeah, maybe in August or September. Go back for a break for Christmas. Yeah, so maybe it might be like September, October, November, Advent of Code, and then maybe January I'm out. Q Ultimus, see you next time, man. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you around. Yeah, but man, streaming is hard work. It's tough work to be like super consistent, always showing up at the time. That's why we need more streamers, I guess. So there's always at least somebody we can go to. Anyways, I was trying to find somebody to raid, but streaming seems like an easy job. You just need to show up. Yeah, but you don't get paid, man. You don't get paid shit. So what do you do when you have something else in your scheduled time slot? Do you show up to your job that pays you $0, or do you go do something that might be more important, you know? Brent Arata streaming his total compensation negotiation tomorrow. Nang, Brent Arata is a real G, man. Oh, shit. All right. We'll see. Maybe I should say this might be my last regularly scheduled stream for the next 3 months. And then after that, maybe I'll like stream whenever I can, you know? Octa, dang, that's a big balling job. Big timing. Is, man, anybody wants to jump on right now? Get the raid? Chi-Chi's leaving, then midnight? Nah. I do this all the time. I take regular breaks. Let me show you what my graph looks like. Where's my graph? Let me show you what my availability has been like since I started streaming on June 1st, 2021. You ready for it? This is what it's been like, man. So in the beginning, for sure, every single day for like several months, five months, I think. And then big ass breaks every so often. So this time I've been somewhat consistent, but it's time for another little chunk of break right here. 1538, dang, yeah, 1,500 hours, man. 4 million, is that insane? I don't know if it's super insane. I think it's just because I've streamed so much, man, and this is over like 3 years, you know. Yeah, so we're just gonna go on another break. Hopefully, yeah, it's like 3 months. I guess it'll be like this. And 7.6 years. Dang, 7.6 years of people watching. Yeah, but I feel like I've peaked. My average viewers peaked like a long time ago. I haven't been able to get these numbers back. But I was streaming every single day during this time, man. And it was too much. This is probably why I got pipped at work. Not pipped. I almost got pipped. Because right after I got my job, I still continued to stream every single day, man. Could you repeat the info about the break? I've just tuned in. Tuksu, what's happening? Yeah, I'm going to take like a few months, maybe 3 months or so, where I won't be streaming like I usually do, but I'll be working on other things in real life. I have a big move coming up. My girlfriend is moving in with me soon, like next month, and then I'm gonna move to a bigger place in like August, September. So those are like some reasons why I won't be streaming, because I'll be busy with those moves. I have a trip coming up this week where I'm going to Zurich. I'll be there for like a week or so, so I won't be streaming the next 2 weeks, and then I have to go help my girlfriend move, and then I have to help myself move later on, and then work is about to get really busy, and then I just feel like I should probably back off the streaming during this time and repurpose that time to like YouTubing videos and stuff. I'm trying to train my girlfriend to like learn how to operate the camera, learn how to edit videos. Well, I can't train her on editing videos because I don't know how to do that, but maybe we can make some content if I have a camera woman, you know. So that's what I'll be up to, man. What's her job? Man, she's looking to switch careers. So maybe she might be a camera woman. Maybe she might be a video editor. Maybe that might be her job, man. Her hands too shaky. Man. Oh, shit. Hold up. I got something for shaky hands, man. I just got a dang gimbal. Anyways, I don't even know how to use that thing, but we're about to figure it out. pro setup, man. You guys want to see all the stuff I bought? I'm gonna try and like film a whole lot during my break, and I'm talking like outside, not just inside the regular studio. Gonna come back shredded, man. I've been riding my Peloton every single day. I'm on a 3-day streak. Well, I just lost my streak. I'm on a 0-day streak because I didn't ride my shit today. But because I stream, you know. But tomorrow I'm riding it. What was I gonna show y'all? There's so many things. Oh, look at this. Also got a little drone. I don't even know how to work it. I got the dang... I don't even know if this was a good purchase, man. But I got the DJI Mini Pro something 4. I'm trying to get some stuff going on with this. I got some new gear. I've just been spending money, man. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, I got a new lens also, but you'll see. Anyways, it's time to get out of here. Oh, maybe I might do Peloton streams instead of LeetCode streams. Maybe that's how I like stay relevant. So maybe no more algo streams, and I'll just jump on the Peloton whenever I train and do some rides. That's how I like keep in touch while I'm away. Make a Simon's Journey YouTube, man. I have a YouTube, man. I just don't have anything on it, really. Like RWX Rob, coding and biking. Nah, I ain't gonna be coding, man. I'm just gonna be biking and talking junk. Peloton. Man, it's right behind me. Wait. Biking while talking to chat. Yeah, basically that's it, man. Biking while talking to chat. There's my dang Peloton bike. It's super sick. It's one of the sickest things I've ever had in my life. Do you wear the tights at home? Man, I've been thinking about getting some of those tights, man. Because maybe those tights come with like some padding or something. Because man, that Peloton seat is hard. And it makes it hurts. It's not comfy. Twitch has a fitness category. Yeah, maybe that's where you can find me in the next 2-3 months. Just finished my stream. You're lying, Steven Sagiball. You ain't never streamed. Need the booty pads, yeah. That's what I didn't want to say that, but that's what it needs, man. You rented it? Yeah, I rented the dang Peloton, man. It costs, I think it costs like $120 a month, which includes the Peloton subscription. So maybe it's really like $80 a month. And then it came with the shoes for free. Say it. What you talking about? Anyways, it's time to get out of here. But I don't know who to raid, so I'm just gonna choose somebody. Find a LeetCoder maybe. Rating didn't go that down, man. It went down like 30 something points. I guess it's not the end of the world, but it's not great. Barely. Nah, it went down a whole lot. Don't defense. No Peloton streamer right now. Yeah, maybe that's gonna be my next category. I'm gonna take that shit over, man. The dang fitness category. on the Peloton. Maybe I'll be like an unofficial Peloton instructor. I'm gonna just ride the bike. Man, who has a Peloton in here? Does anybody have a Peloton besides me? I think Don't Defense said he had a Peloton. My family does? Yeah, so if I start doing like regular Peloton streams, will y'all join me? No one has? I'm 6'4"? Nah, man, he ain't breaking that. I'm over 200 pounds and I've been jumping on that thing and it doesn't even move, man. If you think it's good after a while, I'll try it. Man, all right. If you still see me riding this dang Peloton in 2 months, you know it's good. Real bikes for the win? Nah, man, I can't even ride a real bicycle if I'm be honest. So Peloton is as close as it gets to me on a bicycle, like experiencing riding a bike. Minus 104, dang, son. I tried to ride a bike IRL. It was weird. Yeah, I can't, in real life, I can't ride a bike in a straight line. I can barely balance it, man. It's tough. I have it used to hang towels and stuff, man. You gotta use that bike. Starting in what? You talking about my Peloton streams? I'm not sure. But either way, I'm gonna be away for like 2 weeks because I'm going to Zurich. Google bikes are hard to balance. I've never tried to ride a Google bike. My family puts clothes on it. I put some clothes on it sometimes. Is there any contest? Like a Peloton contest? I don't think so. But maybe we could make one. My Google app got rejected. That's crazy. You can show your heart rate on stream. Yeah, I have a little fitness watch that I don't ever use. But I hooked this up to my Peloton. I'm sure I can hook it up to broadcast my heart rate on the stream. And maybe I'll do like 1 hour streams or something like that. I think 1 hour is doable. But I ain't trying to be like streaming for 3 hours on the Peloton, you know. New LeetCode racing is weight and body fat percentage charts. Oh man. If that's a LeetCode racing, my dang body weight percentage chart rating is like a 1200 right now, man. Ave, sir, what's happening? Welcome to the party. We can bet on body fat percentage, man. I don't even know how I'd get that. Don't you need like specialized equipment to figure out your body fat percentage? Road to Guardian in Peloton, yeah. You need a what? DEXA scan. I remember in PE class when I was like 14 years old, they used to have this little caliper and they'd pinch me at the back of my arms or something to like measure my fat. I haven't done that in a long time, but I definitely remember some of that stuff going on. Rectangles, what's happened? You work at G? Yeah, for now. Walking outdoors is the best and easiest exercise. I don't know about that, man. If I have to go outside, it reduces the probability of me doing it by like 70%. So if I have to go outside to go to the gym, to exercise, to get food, to do anything, man, just by having to go outside, there's a chance I'm not gonna do it. But if everything is indoors, it's like more of a chance, man. So that's why I like the Peloton. Usually I like to have like a squat rack and a bench inside my house, but I don't have I don't have space for all that shit, man. So I had to make a choice. Do I get a bench and a squat rack, or do I get a Peloton? And I think maybe as I get older, I'm trying to like take care of my health more than like how swole I am, you know? So I think I'd just like to lose some weight, lower my cholesterol numbers and stuff, rather than like trying to bench 300 pounds. But I do want to bench 225 soon. But I don't have space for all that gym equipment at home yet. But maybe when I move in September, man, maybe I'll have all of that shit and get real swole. If you have asthma, walking outdoors is the best exercise. Is it? Anyways, we got an ad break going on right now. But I gotta go. Giving up your Wingstop subscription, man. I haven't had Wingstop in like 2 weeks, man. Crazy. We had Wingstop Nah, I didn't have Wingstop. Oh, you you had Wingstop 2 nights ago. Plain is your favorite. Interesting. You don't like lemon pepper, man? Or garlic parm? Anyways, I don't even know why I'm chilling here. I guess because it could be the last stream for a while. I'm just hanging out. And I'm waiting for somebody to go live. I like garlic bread. Like garlic bread at Wingstop? Oh, head tennis. You would, but you're too tired. Yeah, it's all good, man. Peloton YouTube videos? Nah, I don't know about that. Is Peloton worth it in 2024? So far, I think it is, man. Man, you know what? Maybe tomorrow I'll do a little Peloton stream. Just so that you can see what it's like. But I don't promise that yet. We'll see. But look out for it if it does. I mean, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll stream it. Maybe I'll stream it in my Discord or something, because I'm too embarrassed to go public with it, you know. Zone 4-5 heart rates only. Dang, I only hit zone 3-4 yesterday. I don't think I've ever hit a zone 5 in my Peloton career. Just put a shark behind me. You're asking too much, Steven Sagiball. Is it night in my country? It is 12:18 a.m. right now in my country. Maybe make YouTube shorts about Peloton, like long. Yeah, I got lots of YouTube plans, man. I have a lot of like footage to edit to make into videos. I got a lot of old VODs to edit to like make YouTube shorts, and I think I just want to edit like the next few months and build up a big vault of videos that I can just release on a consistent schedule. And I'm finding that really difficult to do while I'm like trying to stream on a schedule, and I'm trying to like work my real job and then trying to do all these things, and I just don't. Whenever I have free time, it's like I don't want to edit videos in my free time, man. I just want to chill. So maybe if I like lower my workload, I can squeeze in some video editing and stuff. Have you seen that clips are super easy to edit right now out of your Twitch? Does all the ratio stuff right in there. Yeah, I've seen that head tennis. I think Real Raymond Jones was showing me that. But it's still a lot of work, man, because I don't even remember what parts of my video I need to go and edit. You know, so it's like I have to watch a bunch of old VODs and figure out which parts. And then, yeah. But I'll be looking into all that stuff. Right now I use Premiere Pro for most of my editing, and I'm starting to get comfortable in it. What keyboard? I use a Bubble 75. Anyways, man, I'm 20 minutes over my stream time. I don't know who I'm gonna raid. I'm gonna raid this guy. And I'm out of here, man. Thank you very much for tuning in to potentially my last LeetCode stream for a few months. You might catch me on my first Peloton stream tomorrow, though. Last stream ever? Nah, hopefully not, man. Obes, Solar Wind, Smart Coder, Steven Sagiball. Adios, amigos. And Steven Sagiball, if you ever come to New York, man, you should let me know. We should, I'll give you a tour of the office or something. Road to 6-pack sexy, day 1. Man, it's already day 4 by tomorrow, because I already had like 3 days behind me. Kamza, see you later, alligator. No condom, Chris. Adios, amigo. Maybe see you tomorrow. Maybe see you in a couple weeks. And everybody else who's still here. King D876. Adios. Rectangles. See you later. Avessor. Adios. Who else is out here, man? Everybody. Pankaj, if you're around, good night. Manoj BP07, have a good night. Don't defend. See you later. Everybody. Het Tennis, good night. Thank you for tuning in. Farewell, YouTube. Farewell, everybody, for now.